Okay, and I'm going to sign in. I want to show you what this looks like. Oops, it would help if I spelled my name right. Okay. Okay, and so Math 152 Online Fall 2012 is what you want to click on. And we're going to open up to what is called the dashboard. The dashboard gives a view of the week, plus it also mentions the first assignments that are due, the browser check you need to do, and how to enter your answers. Those are two things I do recommend you do if you're not familiar with my math lab, to go through those. Now, I'm not going to use this for announcements, so you can pretty much ignore that one. Homework. Okay, and it's telling me I don't have the most recent edition of Adobe Flash Player, which I have to get the college to put on. I don't have administrative rights to my computer. But that's why you need administrative rights, so you can have that done. Okay, and these are the homework assignments. You just click on the one to go in. I'm not going to do it because of the Adobe Flash Player incident, but I do want to talk a minute about what's available. The orientation homework that's due the first week, it gets you accustomed to using the My Math Lab setup. When you get to the Chapter 10 homework, what you'll notice over to the right, you're going to have a series of help buttons. You can ask to see a similar problem. You can ask to have the problem you're working on worked out. You can go to the ebook section and read. You can sometimes watch a video, and you can, last resort, always contact me through email. And what happens if you choose Ask the Instructor is they'll provide me with a link to the problem. You type your question, I look at the problem, and then I send you your response through email. So it's very important to make sure you make use of those help features. On the left side of the homework, what you will find is a symbol palette. It includes things like exponents. It includes items like subscripts. It has all kinds of fancy notation that you may want to make use of as you go through the chapter. So take a look at that also when you get into the problems. The other button you'll use a great bit is quizzes and tests. And again, they are set up very much like the homework. The homework, you can do a problem as many times as you want until you get it right. When it comes to the quizzes and tests, you'll notice you have 3 attempts, so it'll take the highest grade of the 3 attempts. This is the way I have it set. So you have the possibility of taking a quiz up to 3 times to improve your score. Now, study plan is an optional feature that I made available. You can, based on what you've done, it'll tell you what you need to work on. So a grade book is where you'll find the grades for your quizzes and your homework. Chapter contents, this is an alternative to my lectures. And we're starting with chapter, let me see, not chapter 2, we're going to be starting with chapter 10. Get rid of that. Okay, we're going to do chapter 10 here. So what you'll notice is if you pick chapter or section 10.1, they also have a video presentation. This links you to that section in the ebook. So if you don't buy a book, this would be the way you access the ebook. And then study plan, like I said, that is optional if you want to study that. Okay, so there's a study plan overview. Alrighty. close these up. Okay, and then we have tools for success. These are flashcards, calculator help, review, different things that you may find useful. You can make use of those. Multimedia library. In each chapter they do have those videos that I mentioned. Okay, so you can go to a particular section, and let's select all for this. Okay, so you can see there's a multimedia textbook link. There's a link to the systematic counting video, and there's a PowerPoint on systematic listing. So you can use any of those that you find helpful. Okay, course tools, you have email and a couple of things. I don't really make use of those too much. I usually rely on Blackboard for most other features. So let's go back to the dashboard. So at this point you should have an idea of what you are doing in the course. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to post a question in Blackboard in the Ask the Instructor forum, or you can post it in, just send me an email if you don't want to post it in Blackboard. So I'm looking forward to working with you this semester, and I wish you well on your journey through Math 152.